National Weather Service for the following counties in Maryland, and Montgomery, and Loudoun County, Virginia. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for western Montgomery County and central Maryland, southern Frederick County.